Who's that for, Jaren?
This dog.
Let me see.
Oh, Mom, you just messed me up. Stop.
Jaren, I'm videoing this.
I don't care. That worked out a lot good. What do you want, woman?
Oh, that's pretty, Annie.
Let me see. That's a horrible.
Oh, that is.
I can't even see it.
That is
Came
beautiful.
out horrible.
That,
It's horrible, Annie.
That doesn't look bad, Lola.
that is so pretty.
Butterfly came out bad.
Oh,
Lucy butterfly.
Yeah,
Let
I
me
don't
see.
know if the stencils are going to work.
Yeah, this is what my flower came out as.
Oh.
The stencils probably won't work as well because they're on a not on a flat surface.
Annie's such
Oh, Jaren, I'm videoing this.
a awesome kid. Thank you for finishing the subject so I couldn't say the cuss words.
Jaren, you wouldn't say any cuss words.
Yes, you would. I say it on video, yeah. Oh my gosh. One time at after school, he said, get the
Jaren, oh.
out of here. I said the H word. Nice to know. No, he really did. He's like, get the out of here. What's up? I'll paint you. What's up? Well, welcome didn't work.
That looks good.
Dang it! Why did you copy me? I didn't copy you. It says welcome in Spanish. Oh, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm really sure. I'm just gonna say this. I know that's what I did with my I spell welcome. This is why we have newspaper. I spell welcome. Oh my god, you're such an idiot. How do you spell welcome, people? How do you spell welcome? I spell welcome.
W.
L-E-L-C-O-M-E. W.
Jaren, you're not gonna be able to spell welcome.
Up there.
I'll have Jaren. I'll do that when I'm.
No, tell me.
It's a long word. E. L.
You think a baby
C.
doll.
O.
Mom, did this used to look like when
M.
I came out?
E.
Really bloody. Welcome. Look like if you ever dropped my frog. I didn't drop your frog. Darren dropped your frog that you love so much. That Darren broke. You are too. Froggy son. You are too.